So on the way up now should be My Home Pro Network and Nick. So come on up here.
Thanks, everybody. I hope you guys are excited to be here. How's everybody doing? Good. Excellent. Thanks for coming out. Thanks to the judges and the sponsors and WPI. My name is Nick Ponticalone, and I'm CEO and co-founder of My Home Pro Network. On our website, you can find the most connected local real estate and home professionals in your town. Right now, the largest home buying group in history is on a collision course with services market that's still using flip phones. The demands of millennials are changing the real estate and home services market, and businesses are lagging way behind. So we're helping local business owners target first-time home buyers and millennial homeowners with smart, cost-effective, and easy ways to get online, build their digital footprint, and access a more efficient communication channel that millennials want to use. Our web and mobile platform is quite simple. It belies a lot of the complexity in our code base. But any user can go on to myhomepronetwork.com, search our database of local pros, and communicate for free. In addition, users can create a personal directory which is always available to them on a unique URL. For example, many homeowners have a list of service providers that's on a piece of paper on their refrigerator. Well, we make it easy to put that list online with a couple clicks. It's always accessible, even right on your phone, and it's simple to click and contact pros via phone, email, or text. It's also easy to share that network recommended pros with your friends and family. Local real estate and home professionals can quickly create a one-page website with every single feature they need to be found and contacted online. Our profile pages are highly optimized for search and accessible across all mobile devices. They're easy to integrate with social media channels, they showcase work history and professional endorsements, and they capture leads and facilitate two-way communication in-app as well as via email and text. Once the web page is active, local pros can connect with other business owners to create a local referral network so that they can share their recommendation pros with their customers. This happens a lot with real estate. Real estate agents are consistently referring local professionals to their clients, but it also happens with loan officers and insurance agents, financial advisors, as well as landscapers and handymen, all who make referrals as a way to add value to customers and enhance their professional relationships. And all of these types of professionals are active, connecting, and sharing referrals on our platform right now. We're gaining traction with our model. We're generating $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. We have over 11,000 local pros that have made over 130,000 network connections. We offer a freemium subscription model and our first tier enables local professionals to enhance their digital presence and generate online leads for less than $20 a month. We also offer our subscribers additional content and digital marketing solutions like web design, landing pages, social media management. And what's great about offering these types of content solutions to local businesses is that we can create it once and sell it 10x. While we have no direct competitors, there's a lot of companies that sell marketing and advertising in real estate and the home improvement space, but none of these companies offer businesses a way to increase connectivity. They lack a proprietary network scoring algorithm, and they don't really work with customers to build their brand online. There's a massive opportunity to help local business owners get online in a smart way, and we believe there's a lot of room for innovation in this $45 billion space, and that we can build a $100 million company within 5 years. To date, we've relied heavily on SEO and content marketing, and we've grown our initial database, and we're starting to offer subscription service and content marketing solutions. Because it's a social network, many of our professional users are invited by other professionals, and so we have a referral system that's being implemented that will enable early adopters to earn credits on marketing services. We've got a fantastic team of smart, motivated millennials, decades of experience in real estate, construction, property management, as well as online media, content marketing, and social networks. Thanks again. Encourage everyone to go to myhomepronetwork.com. You guys can use it today. We've got lots of users in this area, and we've got some product demos in the back if you guys want to see our actual app.
Very well done. Thank you so much. Judges, go ahead.
So you talked about how you're different from Angie's List and Allstate, all the others, from the perspective of a service professional.
Yep.
How do you differ from the perspective of a consumer? Why does a consumer want to use you as opposed to an Angie's List or another competitor?
Yeah, so it's really about getting the professional online and helping them increase their presence, their, we call it a business digital footprint. So a lot of these companies like Home Advisor and Angie's List, they spend massive amounts of dollars to generate leads of consumers and then sell those leads to service providers, but they're not really helping to facilitate connections. One other proprietary thing that we've developed is a network score, which actually allows a service provider to differentiate themselves both with their connections in the community as well as their digital prowess, their ability to be online, take text messages, and communicate with their customers. It's more about, from a consumer perspective, creating their own directory so they have it, they can always use it, it's free for them. It's not necessarily about just going and pointing and trying to become a lead for a home advisor.
So who pays?
Yep.
Paying who what?
So we actually have a basic subscription model, which professionals can get for $20 a month, and that's for real estate agents and loan officers and other types of local home service providers. And then we sell marketing solutions to these businesses to help them enhance their brand online. That could be website design, lead generation programs, landing pages, blog articles, things like that, that they can use to basically build out their digital presence. And we've had some really cool success stories doing that for customers. Like this one landscaper, we built out a website and all his social pages, and he's getting calls from corporations that want annual contracts because he's got the best website and online presence of any landscaper in his area. He can't even support it. I mean, so it's we can do some pretty cool stuff. These guys haven't really done much with their website since early to mid 2000s. So you have one option is to buy leads from an Angie's List or a Home Advisor, and the other is they're not incompatible, but you need to have your own presence online, especially for millennials who are doing a different type of research and buying process.
Just so to ask the question that was asked maybe a different way, is this platform for the consumer, or is this platform for the service provider?
Well, it's a network. It's a marketplace and a network. So a consumer can come here and they can find a real estate agent or a loan officer or a service provider, and the professionals can build their profile and build their page on this system as well. So it's a networked marketplace rather than just like a social network or just a marketplace. So we do have lots of consumer traffic, and we do have lots of professionals connecting within the network.
So this industry normally operates by word of mouth and referral, today.
Yep.
So how are you able to sort of build this element of trust? I'm still picking. I could look up loan officers on Google and find a loan officer and pick one that I like, or how do you make me confident that this?
Yeah, if you go on Google and look for loan officers, you're going to find that a lot of our loan officers are popping really high above LinkedIn, above Facebook. Our profile pages are highly optimized for these guys, and they allow you to communicate and send a message directly without ever having to sign up. So we do a lot of really good stuff for just by having a profile page. In terms of trust, the network score shows how connected that loan officer is within the community, how many relationships he has with real estate agents, with insurance providers, with real estate attorneys. And that network score we feel is a good indicator of how trustworthy that individual is. For a real estate agent, they can have a network that they show their customers at listing presentations. When they're getting a new buyer, they can say, hey, I'm not just going to be your real estate agent. I also have this network of professionals that can help you in all facets of the real estate transaction as well as after the sale.
What has worked, is working, do you hope will work to drive consumer traffic and to drive professional signups?
Yeah, the SEO and content is a big piece of driving traffic. So we have really good results on different long tail searches that consumers make. We also provide lots of content for the professional users so that they can actually build their brand Like I said, we're generating revenue now, we're growing, and we're looking to really ramp up sales. Our big thing is really focused on driving sales right now.
Perfect. He's got the sales coming. All right. Thank you very much.